guys have a good drive?
Yeah, too easy.
Look, who's here?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, go. That was a lot of screaming.
Oh.
Do you know who's who? Yep.
Very good. Very good.
Is it auntie and uncle?
Remember cycle?
Leave that shirt on.
I know.
Okay, get it out, get it out.
Hi, Sid.
Hey, Sid. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Okay. He doesn't know what to do.
Zeke, Daniel, look. Hot Wheels. Look. Yes.
Cinnamon thinks it's for him.
Shark?
Go.
Yeah.
What here?
That's
I'm gonna
right
make this
here.
What
Right
here?
here.
Oh.
Right here.
Drink.
Went TVs. Oh, it's a Yamaha. This is a Jitsu 954.
Here.
Yeah. Thank
We
you.
bought those right after we left North Carolina. They were
Mhm.
obsessed.
And you know, this is a storage container too. So
it's cute.
you zip everything up.
I might keep their actual like hot.
Oh. Fit. Yeah.
Where are we? Where are we? Are we at M? I was gonna have one of the boys sit by me.
You will come on this here.
You probably don't want to put your purse on the floor. It's all wet.
Yeah, I know what's going on.
Okay, let's go on the other side. Come on.
No, light.
Priscilla, guys, he's the other.
I tried to tell you guys don't let them play.
Light.
Let's go on the green slide. Who's gonna be down there?
I am. I'm down
right
here.
here.
Okay, go down the stairs. Go to the other slide. Okay, come up the stairs and grab that one. Where's the other twin?
He's way up there. I told you don't let him in.
Wait, how did he get up there?
Come on, come on.
He's right above you, Missy.
Sorry.
Go that way.
Is Daniel, come here. Come on. Come with Uncle, please.
I don't even know where the other one is, guys.
He's literally right there, above you.
This is McDonald's.
Who's
Guess we'll wait here for Dad.
Yeah, she can't drive.
What are you doing, person? Oh, do we have to pay for it? No, I don't think no. Okay, no, it's for free.
Big homie lost his luggage, man, but we're not sad. It's not the end of the day.
Yeah, right. I'm about to fight somebody. They lost my dad's luggage.
We're gonna call it a day. Cause it's not, where am I looking at? Cause and I'm looking at the actual, okay. It's pretty cool.
You see yourself here, but look there.
Yeah, I'm sad.
You're sad.
I want to see a tear. Specifically your left eye. Are you actually recording?
Sorry, dude. Just one bag.
All they had was one job to do.
One job.
That's for Henry Trujillo. Are you
On the
kidding
plane.
me?
You had to put the suitcase on the plane. There was no
Denver
stops.
International. I'm tired of y'all. You want to get this
It's
plane
the
landing?
conspiracy. Okay?
I let the homie, all done. I let the little homie just get a full honey bun, man. The heck with it, bruh. It done came from a good
Going
word.
against Mom's word.
Onk's here though, so we get an alibi. Let them do their thing. I'll wash them up when we get to the crib.
Tell them, how did you guys like my church?
I loved the church. It was really good. Sermon was good. Worship team was good. Everybody was friendly.
The pastor came up after he went
Yes.
down Cliff outside.
The pastor thanked Cliff for helping him preach in the congregation.
Let me tell you something, man. Let me back this up, bruh. There are not a lot of authentic preachers out there today. Let's be 100, man. You got a lot of brothers and sisters that have the call and the mantle of God upon their life, but they don't fulfill the purpose. So I am happy with Pastor, what's his name? Craig.
Yep.
Because he gets it. And there's a lot of preachers that, again, have the call and have the gift, but don't get it. So shout out to the pastors in America and outside the continent of the United States that preach the unadulterated gospel of Jesus Christ, but at the same time, they can practice what they preach and they understand the practicality of the gospel.
What does God say?
Practicality of the gospel,
You'll
man.
know them by their fruits.
Yeah,
and
man.
Pastor Craig has fruit, and I've only been 3 times.
Yeah, man. There's no doubt. There's no doubt he's called. I love it, man.
Mm-hmm.
Apple fritter. Is it good, Daniel?
Good, Daniel.
All right.
Okay.
Zeke, is it good?
It's good.
Amen.
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 Good. It's good.
Every knee shall bow. Dun, dun. Every tongue confess. Dun, 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 dun.
Is he gonna come outside?
Where's the frontier counter?
I think it's right here, but he said he's in the baggage. Let me just park right here.
Yeah, just come in here. Every knee shall bow. Dun, dun. Excuse me. Yeah. Front seat, yeah, man.
It's Papa! Hi, Dad. Get in. Someone will give you a hug. Get in. It's my dad. So you made it. Mwah. Can you close your door so we can head off? I'm so sorry I lost your luggage. Take a
What
guess.
happened?
They lost my luggage.
What'd they say?
What did they say? They said that, well, the manager won't be back down here for another 40 minutes.
Are you serious?
And they won't have another flight coming out
Until when?
Tuesday.
Oh my gosh.
I said Monday. Tuesday,
They don't
okay.
have another flight coming out tomorrow.
Well, are you going to be fine until Tuesday without your medicine?
They'll have to be.
Can you get
Yeah,
medicine?
we can't. Why can we go to a local CVS or a pharmacy and
I'll be okay. I mean, I take my shot, so that's starting to kick in.
Look, Daniel. It's Papa.
Daniel, give me a hug, Daniel. Give me a hug. Ooh.
Oh goodness. Look at mommy.
We made it. We made it, Dad.
The shoes and the socks off.
Oh, okay.
No water. We're gonna say no water as we continue to walk to the water. No water.
Yeah, he got power. He's all come back up now.
I told you guys.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, let's go.
about the beach.
Beautiful.
They just think.
Zeke, look, you want a cookie? Give this to your brother. Go give it to your brother.
Bird's gonna come get out of this room.
Well, you better back up. Trying to get a cookie out of his hand.
So country. My dad.
Just trying to eat.
Me too. Don't throw sand. Tell him not to throw sand.
Oh my god. Don't go on, Sienna.
Alright, Dad, did you have a good day at the beach?
Yeah, tight.
Dad! Did you have a good day?
Hey, there's Pompano.
You don't want to be on YouTube.
Illinois.
You guys seen it here. My dad's ignoring the video.
You don't want to be on the vlog.
Did you have fun?
I had an amazing
Let's
day.
go have some
Did you have fun?
swordfish.
Lori.
Oh yeah, this was dope. This was I've been wanting to come here since I was a boy.
So Cliff got a wish fulfilled,
Mhm.
and my dad got a vacation. Amen.
Hey man.
Lord.
Yeah, it was a good day.
So you guys are gonna be surprised, but not surprised. Guess where we're going to eat today?
Amen.
Pompano Joe's.
Right.
Where are we going to eat, Cliff?
Pompano Joe's.
Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, Kanye West and Chick-fil-A.
With the lemonade.
Yeah, with the
You want me to put a filter in this?
Amen.
We almost got that 50% off. Chick-fil-A.
Daniel's still up.
Mm-hmm.